Hey there, folks. Let's dive into the world of power miter saws, those game changers for your woodworking adventures. Picture this. You're crafting something epic in your workshop, and suddenly, you need that perfect angled cut. That's where the magic of power miter saws comes into play. These tools are the superheroes of precision cutting. Now, let's talk about the cream of the crop, the best and top 5 power miter saws of the year. These aren't your run-of-the-mill saws. They're the elite squad, carefully curated to elevate your craftsmanship. Buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey of sawdust and sheer excellence. Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw. Hey folks, let's dive into the world of kick-butt power miter saws. Now, if you're serious about your woodwork game, you need the right tool, and let me tell you, the Metabo HPT Compound Miter Saw is a game-changer. Picture this. A 10-inch beast of a saw with a 15-amp motor that's ready to tackle anything you throw at it. Straight out of the gate, you've got a jaw-dropping 0 to 52 degrees miter angle range. That's like having a wizard's wand for making precise cuts at any angle you can dream up. And the 0 to 45 degrees bevel range? It's like the cherry on top, giving you the flexibility to bevel in style. What sets this bad boy apart from the crowd? It's not just about the power, it's about the precision. Imagine effortlessly slicing through wood with surgical precision, creating joints that fit together like a puzzle. The Metabo HPT doesn't just make cuts, it crafts masterpieces. Now, let's talk user-friendliness. This saw is not here to make your life difficult. It's got a design that screams simplicity, making it the go-to tool for both seasoned pros and weekend warriors. You don't need a PhD in carpentry to handle this powerhouse. It's like the tool that reads your mind and does exactly what you want. In the realm of power miter saws, the Metabo HPT is the rockstar. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer, a reliable sidekick in your woodworking adventures. So, if you're in the market for the best, buckle up because this bad boy is taking you on a ride to precision and power. Bosch GM12SD Corded Dual Bevel. Let's dive into the exciting world of power miter saws and discover the top performers of the year. If you're serious about precision and efficiency in your woodworking projects, you're in for a treat. Our journey begins with the renowned Bosch GM12SD, a beast in the world of corded dual bevel miter saws. The Bosch GM12SD is not your average saw, it's a game changer. Imagine effortlessly making precise cuts with its sliding glide feature. No more struggling to align your material, this saw does it seamlessly. It's like the smooth operator of the woodworking world. And the 60-tooth saw blade it comes equipped with? Pure magic. Say goodbye to jagged edges and hello to clean, professional finishes. But the Bosch GM12SD is just the tip of the iceberg. We're venturing into a world where every cut counts, and the competition is fierce. Picture this, a corded dual bevel wonder that slides and glides like a dream. That's the secret sauce to mastering the art of precision woodworking. As we explore the top 5 power miter saws, keep your eyes peeled for these standout features. The corded dual bevel design ensures versatility, while the sliding glide mechanism guarantees unmatched accuracy. It's the kind of tool that transforms your projects from ordinary to extraordinary. Stay tuned as we unveil more gems in the world of power miter saws, where each saw is a powerhouse, and every cut tells a story. Get ready to elevate your woodworking game. DeWalt Miter Saw DWS779. Alright, let's dive into the world of power miter saws. If you're in the market for one, you're in for a treat. We're talking about the top 5 power miter saws of the year, and boy, do we have some gems for you. First off, let's talk about the DeWalt Miter Saw. This bad boy is not just a miter saw, it's a 12-inch double bevel sliding compound miter saw. That's right, it's got all the bells and whistles. The double bevel means you can make bevel cuts in either direction without having to flip your workpiece. And the sliding feature? It allows you to cut wider pieces of wood. Talk about versatility. But that's not all. The DeWalt Miter Saw comes with a cam lock handle. This nifty feature allows for quick and accurate miter angles. No more fumbling around trying to get the perfect angle. With the cam lock handle, it's as easy as pie. And did we mention it's corded? That means you don't have to worry about running out of battery in the middle of a job. Just plug it in and you're good to go. Plus, being corded often means more power, and who doesn't want that in a miter saw? So there you have it, folks. A sneak peek into the world of power miter saws. Stay tuned for more. Cruiser miter saw. Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Let's dive into the world of woodworking and discover the absolute game changers, the best power miter saws that will take your projects to a whole new level. Picture this: the 12-in dual bevel sliding cruiser miter saw, an absolute beast in the realm of precision and power. Now, you might be wondering, why is this bad boy making waves? Well, it's all about the dual bevel action. No more flipping your workpiece back and forth. This cruiser miter saw lets you tilt both left and right, making those intricate cuts a walk in the park. Talk about a time saver. And let's not forget the 12 inches of sliding goodness. Whether you're working with wide boards or need that extra reach, this saw has got your back. The smooth sliding action ensures you can handle larger pieces with ease, giving you the versatility every woodworker dreams of. Now, as we unveil the top 5 power miter saws of the year, keep your eyes peeled for the ones that stand out. The cruiser miter saw is just the tip of the iceberg, and we're about to dive deep into a world of innovation and power. Stay tuned for the lowdown on the best tools that will turn your woodworking game from good to legendary. Get ready to meet your new workshop companions. Bosch GM12SD Profactor. Hey there, fellow DIY enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the thrilling world of power miter saws, those trusty sidekicks every handyman dreams of having in their toolbox. And trust me, the Bosch GM18V07SN Profactor is a game-changer in this league. Picture this: you're working on a home project, and the precision of a power miter saw is crucial. The Bosch GM18V07SN Profactor, with its single bevel slide, is your secret weapon. It's not just a tool, it's a precision instrument that turns your project into a masterpiece. Now, let's talk about nested crown cutting capacity. Oh, the joy of seamlessly cutting through crown molding. This power miter saw doesn't just handle it, it conquers it. The nested crown cutting capacity of the Bosch GM18V07SN Profactor is a showstopper, making your carpentry projects smoother and more efficient. Imagine having the top 5 power miter saws of the year at your fingertips. The Bosch GM18V07SN Profactor proudly secures its spot on that list. And here's why: unparalleled precision, single bevel slide for flexibility, and a nested crown cutting capacity that sets it apart from the rest. So, whether you're a seasoned woodworker or just getting started, consider the Bosch GM18V07SN Profactor as your trusty sidekick in the workshop. It's not just a power miter saw, it's your ticket to woodworking greatness.